Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an unboxing by Cirkul. Do you want to know what they sent me? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I received a little PR package from Cirkul, and this was just too cute not to actually show you guys on a video. So I did post this on my Instagram if you guys do follow me on my Instagram. But again, I just thought this was too cute not to actually show you the real beauty in this cup right here. Do you see that watermelon? You know I love watermelon. So once I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the cutest bottle ever. So I definitely wanted to show you guys in case maybe you missed my other Cirkul videos, or you just want some more information, or you just weren't ready yet and you just wanted to see another video, then here you go. One thing that they put in here is these two little like inflatable balls, which I think are so cute. I inflated them. They came deflated. I inflated them, but I thought that was super cute. So you have little circle balls that you can toss. Very summery. I thought that was just a cute little touch. And then there's even an actual frisbee, but I think that that is really cute that there's an actual circle frisbee. So cute. And again, so summery. Okay, now I have a big ol' Cirkul sticker, which that is super cute. I'm gonna find a place to put that somewhere. I love stickers and I love collecting stickers, and I love Cirkul, so I will definitely represent and put this somewhere. But here's a really nice large Cirkul sticker. Oh, there's a little card in here and it says, "Thank you. We are so thankful to have awesome influencers like you. We hope you enjoy these Cirkul goodies and have a great summer." Thank you guys for sending it. And again, this is just such a cute summer box. Super cute. They did send 4 different flavors. We have a coconut pineapple. I'm not a huge coconut fan as far as drinking, so this one my man will definitely like. He has his own Cirkul, so I'll let him try that one out, and it's coconut pineapple. Now we have my favorite watermelon, which you definitely need with a watermelon cup. So here is watermelon on the Life Sip. One of my all-time favorites, you guys, is the mixed berries. This has the replenishing electrolytes. The mixed berries is on my top to go with sweet tea. And this one is tangerine. This is another really good one. This is unsweetened tangerine pure sip. Now for the star of the show. Dun dun dun. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is my new favorite cup. I have this one because I literally have this one with me every single day. This is my 32-ounce stainless steel cup, which I love because it keeps it so cold. But this is going to be my new favorite and my summer to go, because look at how freaking cute that is. They even made me one that had my channel logo on it that said SheCrafty. So one thing that's really neat with Cirkul is you can design your own. So if you wanted one for yourself or for your children, you can even put their name on it. You can put little dog prints on it if you're a dog lover. You can put anything on here that you would like to design your very own bottle. So that's one thing that's really neat and unique. You can definitely customize it if you want just different colors, no problem. Like I have an all white one, my man's an all black one. This one is all watermelon. So you can definitely have them print whatever you would like on there. And that is such a cute summery bottle. And then with the red lid on top, because again, you can change the different color lids. This one is a dark gray that I put on this one, but this one has the red. So again, you can customize your bottle so many different ways. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Cirkul, I'm going to show you from my bottle. So here are the sips. Down inside, this is what it's going to look like when you open it up, because this one I'm already sipping on. The one unique thing with their design is you are in control of how much of the liquid of the flavoring is put in each sip. Hence why these are called sips, because each sip you're in control. So on here, there is a dial right here. When you first get it, the dial will be set to X. On the X setting, that's just pure water. So especially when I'm done brushing my teeth or anything like that, I just go to the pure water setting because I don't want to mix flavors. You know, any other time I leave it on a 2 to a 3 is my average, but you can go all the way up to a number 9. And that's how much flavor intensity level is put into each sip. So I love the fact that this is totally customizable down to the color of the bottle, the lid, the flavor, how much flavor, and all of that. If you don't want flavor, again, you turn it to the X and you'll be drinking just pure water. The sips never do leak or anything out of here, because for the first time when I was trying this, I kept drinking the leftover water in here just to see if anything would leak in there, and nothing ever does. It's pure water. And one other good thing is these are super easy to clean. When you're done with the sip, you toss this whole entire thing out. So you don't have to go in, try to get in little tiny things, nooks and crannies, try to clean them out. Water bottles are a pain in the ass to clean. Definitely. With this, once you're done with that sip, you toss it and add in a whole new one. And I absolutely love that. It does have a little design back here. If you are unaware, it's called a fin. This little guy right here. And it's designed to have the lid go on the top. If your lid is over onto the side, all you do is turn it. It just turns and you can put it right over it. And no matter what setting you have it at, it's back out of the way and it's not going to fall on your face or hit you or anything like that. So I always just leave mine out like that, and you're good to go. The only other thing is this is a spill-proof lid. So when you do tip it over, it's spill-proof. Sometimes if you go to pick it up, you might have a little dribble that might land on you, and it's not because it's leaking. It's sometimes if you don't suck all of your sip out, you might have a little bit of water that stays on the top. So when you go to drink again, that little bit of water is going to fall on you first, and you might think that it's leaking, but it's actually not leaking, or they're not supposed to be leaking. They are spill proof, as you can tell. So that's another really good feature, is the spill proof design, because if it gets knocked over by whomever, you're not going to have a mess. So this is just my go-to. I'm serious. Every day when I get home from work, this is the first thing that I grab, and I have it with me until I go to bed at night. And I absolutely love Cirkul. And I love the fact that if you do want to purchase things, they have a little build your own kind of kit. And that's what I always use. The more you add, the more you save. So let's just say it'll tell you, oh, you have like $10 more to go to get 25%, and you're at 20. If you spend that $10 and you go to 25%, you're actually saving more money. So as you're adding either the sips, the accessories, the lids, the bottles, whatever it is that you're purchasing, as you keep adding to it, the more you add, the more you will save. So that's what I use every time when I reorder all of my sips, because I do place my own orders. I just placed an order not that long ago, and I got a whole lot of sips because I was falling short, so I wanted to stock up. So I did do my own order. I just love this company. Not only, like I said, do they just send them to me, but I actually place my own orders, and like multiple big orders, because I love their design. I love the way it tastes. It does not leave an artificial sweetener taste in your mouth or anything like that, like a lot of other things that I've tried in the past have. And it's just a nice pure sip every time, and I'm drinking so much water. I am so shocked at how much water I drink willingly on a day-to-day basis because of this Cirkul system. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Thank you, Cirkul, for sending me this little summer package. This is super, super fun and super cute. I cannot wait to wash this and start using my new watermelon cup now for the summer. I'm going to try it with my new watermelon thing first. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, have you tried Cirkul? Have you heard of Cirkul? Do you have your eye on them? Do you have things in a cart that you would like to purchase? Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.